Hello, everyone. English speaking practice is here. I'm Mia. Quick question, Leo.
Hi, Mia. Hi, everyone. I'm Leo. What's your question?
Have you ever heard English speakers say actually or basically all the time?
Oh, yes. Actually, I hear it every day. Even Buddy hears it.
Really? Buddy understands English?
Well, actually, I talk to him all the time. He knows when I'm happy or sad.
That's cute. But seriously, these words are very common in English.
They're called connectors. Native speakers use them all the time.
Today, we are learning 4 important connectors.
Actually, basically, honestly, and literally.
These words will make you sound more natural.
Let's learn how to use them correctly. Before we start, everyone, please click the like button right now. It really helps us.
And subscribe to English Speaking Practice. When you subscribe, you never miss a lesson.
Share this with your friends. If they're learning English, they will love it.
Learning together is more fun. Okay, now let's learn about connectors.
So Mia, what exactly are connectors?
Connectors are small words we add to sentences. They connect our ideas.
They also show our attitude or feeling.
Native speakers use them without thinking.
They make your English sound more natural and fluent.
Today, we will learn 4 very common connectors.
Actually, basically, honestly, and literally.
Each one has a different meaning and use.
We will explain them with simple examples.
By the end, you will know how to use them too.
Let's start with actually.
Actually is a very useful word. It has 2 main uses.
First, you use it to correct someone.
Or to give surprising information.
Let's see an example. Mia, are you from Canada?
Yes, actually, I am from Canada, but actually, I was born in the UK.
Oh, so you were born in the UK, but you live in Canada.
Yes, actually, that's right. I moved when I was young.
You used actually twice to give surprising information.
Yes, here's another example. Is this your first time here?
Actually, I came here last year. That corrects the person.
Exactly. So actually means in fact, or the truth is.
It's very common in daily conversation. Now let's learn basically.
Basically means in simple words, or the main point is.
You use it to summarize something.
When something is complicated, you say basically and explain simply.
For example, how does a computer work?
Basically, it uses electricity and code. That's a simple explanation.
Another example, what is this podcast about?
Basically, we teach English to beginners. Simple and clear.
So basically helps you simplify things.
Yes, it's like saying, here is the simple version.
Next is honestly.
Honestly means you are telling the truth.
You use it when you want to be very sincere.
Or when you are sharing your true feelings.
For example, do you like my cooking?
Honestly, it's delicious. That's the truth.
Another example, how was your day?
Honestly, it was terrible. You are sharing your true feelings.
You can also use it at the start of a sentence.
Honestly, I don't know. That means I really don't know.
So honestly means truthfully or sincerely.
Yes, it shows you are being real with someone.
Finally, literally.
Literally means exactly. It means something is real and true.
You use it to emphasize something.
For example, I'm literally dying of hunger.
That means you're very hungry, not really dying.
but literally makes it stronger. It shows you are very hungry.
Another example. I literally ran 5 kilometers.
That means you really ran 5 kilometers. It's true.
Some people use literally too much, but it's very common.
Yes, young people especially use it a lot.
Just remember, literally means really or exactly.
Let's review the words and practice pronunciation.
Great idea. Let's say them together.
Actually. Say it with me. Actually.
Good. Now, basically. Basically.
Good. Now, honestly. Honestly.
Now, literally. Literally.
These words end with ly, like really and finally.
Yes, they're adverbs. Adverbs describe verbs or whole sentences.
Actually, that's a very good point.
Let's remember what we learned so far.
Actually means in fact, or the truth is.
Basically means in simple words.
Honestly means truthfully or sincerely.
Literally means really or exactly.
These words make your English sound more natural.
You're doing great, everyone. Let's keep going.
Let's see more examples of these words in sentences.
Great idea. We need lots of examples.
Actually, I have a meeting at 10. Wait, actually, it's at 11.
You used actually to correct yourself.
Yes, I realized I was wrong.
Now, basically, this is the plan. We eat, then we work.
That summarizes the plan simply.
Honestly, I don't like that movie.
You are sharing your true opinion.
I literally have a million things to do.
That means you are very busy. It emphasizes your feeling.
These small words add meaning to simple sentences. Let's compare sentences with and without these words.
Good idea. This shows the difference clearly.
Without actually, I like coffee.
With, actually, I like coffee.
The second one sounds more natural. It adds a little surprise.
Without, basically, we need to go to the store, buy food, cook, and eat.
With basically, we need to cook dinner.
The second one is simpler and easier to understand.
Without, honestly, I think it's good.
With, honestly, I think it's good.
The second one sounds more sincere.
Without, I'm so tired.
With, I'm literally so tired.
The second one is stronger. It shows how tired you really are.
These small words make a big difference.
Let's talk about common mistakes with these connectors.
Good idea. We want to help everyone avoid these.
Mistake 1. Using literally when something is not real.
For example, I literally died laughing. That's not true. You didn't really die.
But native speakers say this. It's very common. Just know it's not literal.
Mistake 2, using honestly too much.
If you say honestly every sentence, it sounds strange.
Use it when you really want to show you're telling the truth.
Mistake 3, saying basically when you don't know the answer. Mistake 3, saying basically when you don't know the answer.
Like, basically, I don't know? That doesn't make sense.
Basically means you are simplifying. You need to know the answer.
Mistake 4, forgetting the word order.
These words usually go at the beginning of the sentence.
Actually, I am tired, not I am actually tired.
Both are actually correct, but the beginning position is more common. Now let's do a quiz. I'll say a sentence, you choose the best connector.
This is fun. Let's test what we learned.
Number 1, I got a new job.
If I'm correcting someone, I say, actually, I got a new job.
Good. Number 2, the plan is simple.
I say, basically, the plan is simple.
Great. Number 3, I told the truth.
Honestly, I told the truth.
Perfect. Number 4, I'm really tired.
Literally, I'm really tired, or I'm literally really tired.
Excellent. You are all doing so well. Let's hear these words in a real conversation. I'll be a coworker, you be Leo.
Okay, I'll try.
Hi, Leo. Are you busy today?
Actually, I have a meeting, but basically, I'm free after 2.
Oh, good. Honestly, I need help with a project.
Sure, I can help. I'm literally free all afternoon.
Great. Thanks, Leo.
This conversation sounds so natural.
Yes, these connectors make the conversation flow better. Let's remember what we talked about today.
Yes, let's make a list.
Number 1, connectors are words that connect ideas and show feeling.
Number 2, actually means in fact, or the truth is. It corrects or adds information.
Number 3, basically means in simple words. It summarizes things.
Number 4, honestly means truthfully or sincerely.
Number 5, literally means really or exactly. It emphasizes things.
Number 6, use these words to sound more natural and fluent.
Number 7, they usually go at the beginning of the sentence.
Number 8, practice using them in daily conversations.
These words will help you speak like a native.
Let's practice saying these words one more time.
Yes, repeat after us.
Actually. Say it. Good. Now in a sentence. Actually, I'm from Canada.
Basically. Say it. Now in a sentence. Basically, it's very simple.
Honestly. Say it. Now in a sentence. Honestly, I like it.
Literally. Say it. Now in a sentence. I literally have no time.
Excellent. You are all doing a fantastic job.
Let's quickly review the common mistakes.
Mistake 1. Using literally for things that are not true.
I literally died is common, but it's not real, just an expression.
Mistake 2. Using honestly too much.
Use it only when you really mean it.
Using basically when you don't understand.
Basically, I don't know is not correct. Remember these tips. They will help you speak better.
Now we have a challenge for everyone.
Yes, a challenge is a fun way to practice.
This week, try to use each connector at least once a day.
Say actually when you correct yourself.
Say basically when you summarize something.
Say honestly when you share your true feelings.
Say literally when you want to emphasize something.
Practice with your family, friends, or in your head. By the end of the week, you will feel more comfortable.
You can do this. We believe in you. Now we have a question for you.
Yes, please write in the comments.
The question is, which connector is new for you?
Write a sentence using actually, basically, honestly, or literally.
For example, actually, I am learning English, or literally, I love this podcast.
You can write 1 or 2 sentences.
Don't worry about mistakes. We want to hear from you.
We read every comment. We love hearing from our community.
It's great practice for you too. Writing in English helps you learn.
We can't wait to read your answers. Thank you all for listening today.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to English Speaking Practice.
Click the like button. It really helps us.
And share this with your friends and family.
Together, we can all improve our English.
Don't forget the challenge. Practice your connectors this week.
You can do it. We believe in you.
That's all for today, everyone.
We learned something really interesting today, didn't we?
Actually, we did. I never realized how often I use these words.
Honestly, I use them every single day without thinking.
Basically, they're everywhere in English conversation.
Literally, they are in almost every conversation.
See what we did there? We used all 4 words in our closing.
Yes, now you can use them too.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Goodbye from Mia.
And goodbye from Leo. Buddy says woof.
And Oliver says meow.
Keep practicing, everyone.